In this video, we'll be discussing multiflow maps and how to use them. The purpose of a multiflow map is to show a cause and effect relationship. In the center rectangle, you write the situation or the event. On the left-hand side, in those rectangles, you write the causes of that event or situation. Then on the right-hand side, in the rectangles, you write the effects of that event or situation. You then connect the causes with the situation with an arrow, and then the situation with the effects with an arrow. When you draw your multiflow map, make sure that you have your arrows going from left to right, so the causes go into the situation and the effects come out of the situation. In a multiflow map, the causes and the effects do not have to correspond. The causes on the left-hand side correspond with the situation. The situation then corresponds with the effects. A cause on one side does not correspond with the effects on the other, but through the situation. Therefore, the causes only have to correspond with the situation, and the situation only has to correspond with the effects. Many times you will see that a multiflow map might only have causes or only have effects. This is okay. It is okay to have a multiflow map with only causes or only effects. And the one below, the students only need to know the causes of the Russian Revolution. Therefore, we'll only have causes. There are effects of the Russian Revolution, but the students don't have to know them for this particular map, so we don't bother putting them. Just like with causes, you might just have effects. If the goal of that lesson was for students to only know the effects of the Russian Revolution, then you might make a multiflow map like the one below. The multiflow map below shows how important it is to have the arrows. Notice that the multiflow map below has jumbled causes and effects on the left hand and right hand side. It doesn't look very organized. However, it's clearly able to show you the causes and effects because of the direction of the arrows. Now, it's also important to have the causes on the left hand side and the effects on the right hand side. But it doesn't have to look as clean as the previous ones. This one has the effects jumbled and the causes jumbled up, but you can clearly see the causes and effects by the sides that you see the boxes on and the direction of the arrows going into or out of the situation.